If you've been wondering how to remove the content warning on X, formerly known as Twitter, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps to turn on sensitive content visibility on the X website so you can view media that may be hidden behind a warning. This is a quick and simple settings change, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to find it. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and log in to your X account on the X website. This setting is easiest to change on desktop, so make sure you're signed into the correct account before you continue. Once you're inside X, look over to the left-hand side menu and click on More. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of the account safety and privacy controls. After that, click on Privacy and Safety. On this page, you'll see several options related to how your feed, media, and account activity are handled. Now find the section called Content you see. This section controls what kind of posts and media X shows you while you browse. Inside Content you see, look for the checkbox that says Display media that may contain sensitive content. This is the key setting that removes the content warning on X for supported media. Once you find it, check the box to enable it. As soon as you turn this on, X should begin showing sensitive media without hiding it behind the warning screen. If you don't see the change immediately, refresh your feed or log out and back in once. In some cases, the setting may take a moment to fully apply. Also remember that this only affects the account you changed, so if you use multiple X accounts, you'll need to repeat these steps on each one. And that's it. You've now removed the content warning on X by enabling sensitive content in your privacy settings. It only takes a minute, but it can make a big difference if you want more control over what appears in your timeline and search results. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.